So while we're reciting this mantra, this is what we're thinking. The meditation session can be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hour, 3 year, 3 month, 3 days. Up to you. The mantra can be based on Buddha Shakyamuni, can be based on Lama Tsongkhapa, maybe it's a way to change dream making my own champion. Do for my jumps is somewhere down. Ganjing gave a teaching Tsongkhapa, Los Anjabi Shabba so that to invoke upon the energy of Lama Tsongkhapa to do the same. It could be based on Chenezi, Avalokiteshvara, Omani Peme Home, Omani Pemo, on Jasin Jabaya Manjushri, Omarabasnadi. It can be based on Vajapani, Om Bensapani Home. It can be based on the higher tantras. For example, Vajragini, Hiruka, Yamataka, Kalachakra, Guya Samacha, Hevajra. It could be based on the lower tantras, such as Hayagriva, anything. What's the point of the mantra to keep the mind focused on the sound, so your mind doesn't wander? The mantra itself has power, but it's more power if you use it to focus your mind, to purge your mind, to make it focus. You know all the bad habits we have? The key to eliminating the bad habits is to focus our mind on sound, and from sound, our mind graduates to exploring ourselves deeper. We will have the discipline to explore ourselves deeper and to expunge or destroy the negative qualities in our mind. Only we can destroy it. A Buddha can, a God can.